Hi guys, welcome to the Spicy Kitchen. I'm Jose Arato, and today I'm going to show you a recipe that is zero waste. So we're going to make pesto with beetroot leaves. Yes, the stems, all that we don't know what to do when we go to the supermarket and you're like, what I do with this? We are going to make pesto and it's going to be vegan. Vámonos. This recipe is super easy and is zero waste. You can use it also with your carrots tops, and what I did is all the tops from the beets, I just washed it. It's a super easy recipe. I'm gonna get all the leaves here, and we are gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of garlic. So literally it's like making pesto but with basil, and instead of using basil I'm using the tops of the beets. Lemon juice. I'm using almonds just to give that extra texture to the pesto. You don't have to use almonds. You can actually use any nuts or no nuts at all. That I leave it up to you. And one of my favorite discoveries is nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast, it tastes like Parmesan cheese, and it's very high in protein. Personally, to me, it tastes like cheese, and I love it. So that's what I'm gonna use for my pesto, and I made it vegan. If you don't like the nutritional yeast, you can definitely use any other cheese. Recommended to use Parmesan cheese. Olive oil. And at this stage you can also taste it and see if there is any lack of salt, or you want more cheese or nutritional yeast, or more almonds or nuts, and that's the moment that you are actually tasting it. That's it, we got the pesto. You can use the pesto on your pasta, for salads, on your sandwiches, anywhere you like it, as a dip. And definitely you are using the whole vegetable. Thank you guys for joining us again. This is my recipe, beet tops pesto. It's vegan and it's a zero waste recipe, which is the most important part. You can use Parmesan or nutritional yeast to make it vegan, and I hope you enjoy. Please let us know what you want to know. If you have any comments or concerns about this recipe, just write down a comment below. We will reply to you. Subscribe, share, and enjoy.